Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on adding payments methods to WooCommerce. Now before we start, I have to notify you that WooCommerce requires a WordPress subscription in order to install the store and achieve and have a lot of the features that WordPress presents to you. Now, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to add payments methods on WooCommerce. Now, let's begin by following these few steps together. The first step is to access payment settings. And to do that, you have to log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to WooCommerce in the left sidebar right here, click on it, and when you pay a subscription, you'll be able to start a new store, and in it, access settings, and then access payments, and you'll see a list of available methods, payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, or cash on delivery. The second step is to enable a payment method. To do so, click the toggle to enable a payments method, then click Set up or Manage and enter the required credentials or details for the gateway. Now for the third step is to test the payments method. Place a test order on your store to ensure the new payments method works correctly. And that's it. That's how you add payments methods to WooCommerce. It's very easy and very simple. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.